Hello everyone, today we're going to do a review on the new Galaxy S20 Ultra. I believe it comes out March 6th. Today is March 3rd. So a few days before it comes out, as you see, it's still in the box. And we're going to open it together and see what it brings in it. Let's see. I got this one Cosmic Gray, I believe it's the colorway. We'll look at it together and see what it brings, and you can put a comment down below whether you like, you don't like, or what you cop, you don't cop. But please hit a like, share, and subscribe. This is the outside box, S20 Ultra 5G, and I guess a few more stickers here. We'll cut open. Alright, and here we go, guys. Here's the phone. Beautiful screen. Like I said, it was in that gray color. And we'll do another review on how it runs, but I mean, the specs on it were great. I mean, comes with let's see, come with an SD card, comes with a super fast charger. I think it's a 25-watt charger, but they have a 45-watt charger, which will charge your phone a lot faster. I don't know why they didn't include it in there. Here you got your wire for that, and then your AKG headphones. And these plug in right to the phone. There's no more headphone jack, so now they plug right into your charger port. And a phone at this price, I would recommend you getting an outer box or something to protect it. And I think it's going to be a great phone. We'll put a different review on the specs and all that, but please hit a like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like the video. Once again, this is the new S20 Ultra, and it's in gray, and it's also, this is 5G, so we'll be testing that out. Everyone have a good one. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.